sensation prevails in the state over the killing of former president of Zaliangrong Body, Athuan Abonmai, who was shot dead by armed miscreants yesterday. Abonmai was reportedly abducted from outside the venue of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh's outreach program in Tamenglong. Later, his bullet-ridden body was found near a stone-crushing unit at Palong village in Tamenglong. Well, a sensational video has surfaced purportedly of the abduction of Athuan Abonmai from outside the venue where the Chief Minister was scheduled to hold the Hill District Outreach Program later in the day. And in the video, you can see on your screens, well, the abductors can also be seen assaulting a person who had accompanied Abonmai to Tamenglong. And significantly, the whole incident seems to have taken place in presence of cops who were stationed nearby. While So viewers, you can see on your screen, this is a purported video of the abduction of Athuan Abonmai from outside the venue, where you can clearly see that this is the venue where the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh was scheduled to hold the Hill District Outreach Program later in the day. And in the video, you can very clearly see the abductors can also be seen assaulting a person who had accompanied Abonmai to Tamenglong. Significantly, the whole incident seems to have taken place in presence of cops who were stationed nearby. So this is the video where you can see on your screens. So this video has gone viral, and also let me tell our viewers that the uproar over the abduction and subsequent killing of former president of Zaliangrong Body, Athuan Abonmai, has turned political in Manipur now. And while friends and family members of the victim are accusing the NSCNIM of being behind the incident, sources close to the outfit said that the NSCNIM has denied its involvement in the killing of the former president of Zaliangrong Body. And meanwhile, family members of the deceased have demanded justice. Well, speaking to Northeast Live, wife of Athuan Abonmai, Philowan Ningshen stated that she was shocked and shattered by the incident and that the government should ensure befitting punishment for the perpetrators.
Thokiba thodok mayam se khanlaga egi nupagi se khanlaga nungaide pra mangum na thoe duba ngasi thokiba pumnamak se isorgi matamni isorna ningbani haina sulawi dumakpo.
And a son of the deceased leader informed that his father left home from Tarung in Langaul on 21st to attend the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh's program in Tamenglong, following which the incident took place.
My name is Arai Abonmai. On date 21, he went to this Tamenglong for this Chief Minister program, Go to Hills. And only on 22nd, on the day of the program, we got the news that he has been abducted and kidnapped by some suspected militants UGs. And we thought that after some negotiation and all, my dad would be released. But 6:30 p.m., we got the news that from the villagers, my relatives, those who went searching for my dad, they called me up and gave me the news that they found my dad's dead body there in Palong village. We were in shock. We never thought that kidnapping, abducting, and all we can negotiate and through dialogue, everything. But me and my family really condemn this brutal behavior. From my knowledge, I suspect this NSCNIM because right now we have some proof, to be honest. that this IM people, they are behind this, my father's death. We suspect that they use some civilians, public from this Tamenglong, to first of all kidnap and adopt my dad and hand him over to them. Political differences is there, between. See, my dad have his own different ideology. NHN IM they have their own different ideology.
Meanwhile, the uproar over the abduction and subsequent killing of former president of Zaliangrong Body, Athuan Abonmai, also took a political turn, with the opposition Congress joining the chorus demanding justice for the victim's family, besides attacking the government on the law and order situation. The Manipur Congress demanded an independent inquiry into the killing of Abonmai and also questioned police role. The Congress also said that the law and order situation in the state had gone for a toss.
It is a very unprecedented event. In fact, this is a very, very alarming, episode, and it is a very sad incident which will have a very wide repercussion in every corner of our state. The manner in which he was killed, the manner in which he was abducted, raises many serious issues, many serious questions on the government. The fact that he was picked up from the very place, from the very venue of the Honorable Chief Minister's outreach program in Tamenglong district, lays bare the complete breakdown of the security apparatus, number one. Number two, it also speaks of an utter failure in terms of the law and order situation in the state, where the Chief Minister's own program is compromised. We demand a very independent inquiry by at least not less than a retired High Court judge, so that we can come to know about the various aspects leading to this heinous crime.
There should be institution of immediate judicial inquiry by High Court judge or retired High Court judge. So that is the most important point that we are demanding. And the second point is that there should be reports to the public by the DGP of Manipur. And the ground reports of this, like ESP or police officer who had posted there yesterday. So in fact, this thing, it is not happening everywhere in India. The CM's program, the Apollo's ground, where the same program is going held, there was a Go to Hill programs and inaugurations ceremonies are different programs are there. But thing is that abductions of this Athuan Abonmai, there's in front of the police officers and the different district administration officers. So how it comes? So when we heard this news, we are really shocked. And that's why the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee demand this immediate judicial inquiry. There should be immediate punishments of the police officers. So this is the important points that we are demanding to the government.
Meanwhile, the Liang Mai Naga Council has expressed a shock over the gruesome murder of Athuan Abonmai. And in a joint communication by Liang Mai Naga Council Eastern Zone and Eastern Liang Mai Naga Chief Chairman Association and Ahan Gruak Chief Chairman Association, the Liang Mai organizations have strongly condemned the abduction and killing of Abonmai, calling it unacceptable in a democratic society. While urging the people to exercise love and respect human lives, the Liang Mai civil organizations called for delivering justice to the deceased family and further appealed to law enforcement agencies to take immediate action so as to prevent a recurrence of such acts in the future. All right, to know more, we are being joined live with our correspondent from Imphal, Sharat Chandra. So, Sharat, any breakthrough in the Artuan Abonmai murder case? We have seen the purported video doing rounds of the abduction that has sent shock waves across the state. So, did the incident take place in presence of the cops? A big question at this point in time is this, Sharat.
Yeah, so far as the breakthrough of this particular incident is concerned, we don't have any update from the police department, any arrests of the whoever involved in this crime. But yes, right now I also want to inform the viewers that we are inside the campus of the RIMS hospital, and just behind me is the RIMS mortuary, where we are waiting for the arrival of the Tamil police team, who are transporting the dead body of Artuan Abonmai, who was killed by the unknown Uzi, and his dead body was recovered by the Tamil police station last night itself, and bullet-ridden body is now just carrying towards the RIMS smoke. Yes, this particular incidents sends shock waves amongst the many civil society organizations, and many condemnation note is now pouring in after the death of Artuan Abonmai, who was abducted from the Tamenglong district headquarters. And yes, as per the complaint filed by this Artuan own son, that is Aran Abonmai, in the complaint note, he just mentioned that the family members are pointing their finger towards the innocent IM, and they are clearly saying that he could have been abducted by the suspected innocent IM and later killed. So this particular incident as a whole sends a shockwaves, and right now I think the opposition Congress is also demanding an independent inquiry so that one clear picture can come up. And yes, in the video which has been released by released through the social media, which is captured by the locals of the Tamenglong district headquarters, clearly showing that many security personnel were present during the incident. And yes, this particular incident took place just near the public ground Tamenglong district headquarters, where the Chief Minister, the community outreach program was taken place yesterday.
Right, Sharat, and the Congress has also questioned the law and order situation in the state over the incident. So has the state government come up with any reaction so far, Sharat?
You see, so far as any reactions from the Chief Minister or any update from the police department is concerned, till now we do not see any kind of police department saying regarding this incident, and also Chief Minister not saying anyone, not giving any kind of reaction regarding this incident. But yes, it is very natural to raise the questions that even not only the Congress but many of the villagers are also raising questions that how unknown UZ groups could abduct one civil society organization leader. The Artuan Abonmai is also former president of the Jelliangrong body, Manipur, Nagaland, and Assam. And the question is how, in presence of there was many security presence there due to the Chief Minister visiting of Tamenglong district, and how can this abduction could take place in front of the security forces? This is a big question, and which need to be answered from the authority.
Right, Sharat, but the incident definitely raises questions on the law and order situation, especially in Tamenglong, isn't it, Sharat?
Yeah, exactly. You see, Tamenglong, though it is very far away from Imphal, is around about 150 kilometers from Imphal. But you see, yesterday, there was a heavy security presence. Even a day before yesterday, the security arrangement has been beefed up in the wake of the Chief Minister visit to the Tamenglong district headquarters for the community outreach program. But how this incident can happen, and how a civil society organization leader could be abducted by the unknown person in the eyes of the security forces, this is a big question, and I think authority need to come up very clearly.